Yes, Happy New Year to you too.
Tiana, please help me. I need someone to kiss me so I can turn back into a prince. Only you can do this for me.
Yeah. Girl, I just... Antes de empezamos, gracias a ti, a Vii Amor, por esta idea. Muchas gracias. Let's start the show.
Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial. Thank you for stopping by. I'm just going to be starting off on stretched hair. Basically it was in a ponytail. I'm going to be doing Princess Tiana's, I like to call it like a little ballerina bun, and then she has cute little tendrils on the side. Thank you guys so much for your support. I really appreciate it. This is my first video of 2022 and it's going to set the pace for the rest of the year. I'm coming with it really hard this year. Thank you for your support. So we're just going to slick our hair down. I'm using my, regular products that I usually use, Eben and stuff. But I'm going to show them again. So it's going to be slicking my hair down today. We're not using any heat. Grill is not to hold. We're not going to use any heat because, like I said, like this year, I really want to focus on health, growth. Even like with my edges, I've noticed that they're much thicker since I started using the Chebe oil. So he's going to go through and paint that. Look at that beautiful picture. So cute. I ain't going to lie to you. If a frog come to my window and ask me to kiss it, it's a no for me. But I'm going to go through with the Jamaican black castor oil to basically moisturize my strands while it's in this hairstyle. This is going to go ahead and smooth the strands as well. Like I said, you could just pop it up into a bun without slicking it down, but I like that sleek look, and also I feel like it holds it a little bit much longer than it usually would. I use like 2-3 different brushes. Like the Demon brush, I use that to I use a Demon brush to go and like basically like comb my hair, and then I use the brother brush. I call that because that's the brush that my brothers would use for the waves. I use the brother brush to basically slick it down there. And that's pretty much the little cadence you got to keep in order for you to do the hair. I can definitely say for sure that you want to work in sections. Just don't slap it on there. Like I said, I know my people who, look, some of the storm hair from my cosplay is still stuck in there. I can't. But I know some people who just slap the gel on. I'm just like, please don't do that. You got to work in sections. I wish somebody would have told me, because I was that person that I would just slap it on there, especially if your hair is thick. And especially type 4, you got to work in sections, But that's pretty much it, guys. Nothing too hard today. I didn't want to do it too hard. Now you look like you're from Whoville, from Dr. Seuss. And then you just want to go ahead. I literally just twisted my hair up vertically, and then I'm just getting the ends and I'm just folding it in front. Now I did have these tendrils on the side as well that I wanted to have. I mean, I was gonna do the ones in the back, but I don't know, to me it just looked messy. I didn't like it, so I put those back into the buns. I'm just going really right here, and that's pretty much your hairstyle. This was actually an accident. This is how I fell asleep last night, and I was like, you know what, I actually like this. It's not bad. It's like, it has that little bobby effect that Tiana did have. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead and slick my edges, my hair. That's another thing too. A lot of these gels are water based, so basically instead of adding more gel, add water. I know that sounds real silly, but I'm just like, I wish I would have known that, because I would have saved so much money on gel. But a lot of them are water based, where if they're already on your hair, you good. Right here, I'm just coming in with my pink brush right here just to get my slay my edges. Like I said, you can skip this part, but for us people born with the big forehead, we just can't wear our hair back. I'm sorry, but my forehead look real. I know y'all saw that at the beginning of the video. My forehead is big, so I just go in and put my baby hair so it can give me like a little shape to my forehead. Here I just used the Eben gel on my edges, on my little like sideburns or whatever. I didn't want to use a mousse because I wanted it like to stay. I feel like the mousse would have just been like a soft. I needed it kind of crunchy, which when I take it out, it actually isn't that country. Ooh, I can't say that word. But that's pretty much it. I'm slowly turning into Tiana. But yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Real simple. I was going to do like extra twists up there in the bun, but I feel like Tiana's hairstyle is very, very simple. So I didn't want to go too much. And plus I wanted to wear this hairstyle after the fact. And I can see myself like wearing this like when I don't know what to do with my hair. It's really cute, especially once I was working hard, but that's pretty much it. This is pretty much the end result. I promise you, like, I don't see myself kissing a frog in real life, but this is the final result. I hope you guys like it. Something different. I really like when you guys give me ideas, because I literally, it's like you passed me the football and I ran with it. So this is a 360 of the hairstyle, so yeah, I can be like, what it look like from the back. Yes, I put that brush right on my spinal cord, but that's pretty much it for that. It got a little stuck on my hair, got stuck on here. It's mucus. Now this part you can fast forward if you're done. But this part was basically me showing that I sewed this by hand. I wanted to give up several times. I'm not going to lie to you. I did run out of material. So before y'all come for me for that split, I definitely ran out of material. It was the end of like a sale at Joann's where they're just like, here's the end of the roll. I was like, let me do this. And I did my best, but I can definitely say that I did run out of material. The split wasn't supposed to be that high. That little veil there was so cute. That was like $2. Like the material was $7. Mr. Froggy Frog was $9. And I thought of a second way you could wear this as well. You can go ahead, and I just paired it with some white slacks I had and then my pearl clutch. And now Princess Tiana is ready to go to the club. All right, let's do a runway right quick. Let's do it. My eyelash keeps getting stuck. It's so annoying. Oh, this is like the fourth take. Oh! Why?
Antes de empezamos, gracias a ti, Vii Amor, por esta idea. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. Pero ¿qué es eso? Like, what is that? Muchas gracias.
You know what? I did leave something.
Mon ami, you came back for me. I'm so. What's that? Hey, you don't want to be a princess? Wait, put me down. No.
Right.
No.
Yeah, something about I just really feel like something about 2020 is gonna be my year. Yeah. Yeah, girl. I just, you know.